Okay, let's dive into a crazy idea. What if friction just disappeared for 1 minute?
I mean, what if that force that lets you walk, drive, or even exist just vanished?
See, friction is the force that resists motion. It's the essential grip holding our world together. It's why you can walk on concrete, but you totally slip on ice. All about that grip.
Yeah, and even your car's tires are designed to handle it for your safety, right? So, let's turn it off for 1 minute. What's the first thing that happens?
Instantly, you can't pick anything up. The ability to grip is just gone. And get this, no more fire. Matches won't light, lighters are useless. It's that fundamental.
If you're walking, well, your legs keep moving, but you're going absolutely nowhere. And if you're in a car, you just keep going and going. Your brakes, totally useless.
Terminal velocity, that's gone. Any object in motion is now a deadly, unstoppable projectile.
But you know what? That tree, that penny, that train, that's the least of your worries.
So what's the real consequence here? Let's zoom way in. Think about it. Everything on Earth is just atoms and particles. You, me, this planet. And it turns out, friction is one of the key forces holding all those atoms together. So, within just an instant of losing friction, you see where this is going, right?
The whole world would just become a big, formless, featureless blob, instantly. So let's recap. Friction gives us movement, interaction, and it literally holds us together. So next time you're out for a walk, just be grateful for that force under your feet. Sure, friction can be a drag, but without it, what would we even be? Nothing.